Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Today's video is going to be a DIY video. I've been wanting to make bows for my tree tops. I have always done bows on my trees, but I wanted the circle one. I don't know how you describe it, but like the plush bow this year. And as you can see, that's it behind me. And so I tried it, I filmed it, and I'm sharing it with you guys on exactly how I did it and accomplished it. So I hope you enjoy. For those of you who want a quick update, I am 7.5 months pregnant, and all is going well, no complaints and no complications, thank God. So if you're interested in those type videos about my pregnancy, I will leave a link below to my pregnancy playlist, so take a look at that if you're interested in those videos. But yeah, so I will definitely come back in the future and give you guys my Christmas decorating tips and my Christmas house tour. That will be soon, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, enjoyed, or found it helpful, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. So yeah, let's jump right into it and get started. You can use one color ribbon or two color ribbons. This is an example of a two color ribbon that I did with this bow, but for the video I'm going to show you how it is with one color. It's more simple with one color, but also make sure to use a wired ribbon. That way it's easy to spread and it will hold its shape. You also need some wire cutters as well as some floral wire, and you want to cut off 2 pieces. So for the multicolored bow that I just showed you guys, that was only 1. So for this gold one, I'm gonna do 2 bows and combine them together. You will see the results at the end again. So to start, I leave about 1.5 inches off and I twist it because we're gonna end up folding and twisting each side of the ribbon. So to start, you want to measure 14 inches. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do folds on each side at 14 inches. So we're gonna do this we're gonna have 4 on each side. So hopefully it's not confusing. So that's 1 on this side, the right. I'm gonna do another 14 inch and fold it to the bottom up, and then I'm gonna twist it, and so that's 1 on each side now. So the goal is to get 4 on each side at 14 inches. So I'm gonna speed up the video here. I did it slowly so that you could see what I was doing. But yeah, you're gonna do 4 folds on each side at 14 inches. You don't have to do the inches. I actually picked up this trick from another lady, and I'll link her video below too because she was great at explaining as well. But making these bows are not hard. I've been wanting to do them for years, so I finally did it and decided to share with you guys. After you get your 4 on each side at 14, you're gonna go to 13 and you're gonna do 3 on each side. Again, 3 on the right, 3 on the left, all at 13 inches. So again, I just did it slowly here to show you. I'm going to speed up the video now, but they don't take long to do at all. But you do have to have strong hands because holding the bow can hurt your hands, but I use all my fingers to hold it together, and I have small hands. So if I'm able to do it, hopefully you will be able to too. So after you've got your 3 on each side at 13 inches, you're going to go down to 12 inches and do at least 2 on each side. So again, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Now that you've gotten those folded and twisted together, we're going to, so you can count to make sure you have enough. You can always do more. I think on one of them I did actually a little bit more than 212. I think I did 312, but or until I ran out of ribbon. But anyway, it doesn't have to be precise. But now we're gonna tie it all together with our piece of wire that we cut. So only thing you gotta do is try to get as tight as you possibly can at the bottom of it and twist the wire. So I twisted it multiple times to make sure that it stays together. I keep the wire separate, you know, so that at the end you're gonna see we're gonna combine two of these together, two of the gold ones together. But yeah, I twist and twist and twist till I think it's good and nice and snug. And then we're gonna cut this excess ribbon off. This is not, you don't have to do it my way. This is just the way I prefer to do it. But yeah, I just cut it off. And then now we're just gonna spread and fluff starting from the bottom. I like to start from the bottom and go up and, you know, just fluff it out. And that's why you want wire ribbon, because that way it keeps its shape, it keeps its form, and it'll look nice. And this is how one looks. This is again with just one piece of ribbon. So I did another one exactly the same way with the gold, and now we're gonna just tie them together. And so this neat little trick is amazing because you're gonna tie both ends of the wire together and it's gonna form a little hole. So you just take one end of one and one end of the other, tie it and twist it together. And this is gonna make a great, it's gonna make it so easy to put on top of a tree because it's gonna leave a nice little gap, a little hole where you can just literally stick it on top of the tree. Yes, so just tie both ends together and you see the hole, you can stick that right over the top of your tree, and it makes it so easy to stick on top. I will say this, so doing the gold, like I said, I combined two and I love how it turned out. It looked nice and plush and I really like it. And I got a Christmas video, guys. I know you guys are ready to see the house and the things I've done and give you guys my tips. That video is coming soon, so stay tuned. And so for this dual ribbon, this was only one set of two ribbons. So instead of combining two ribbons, it was only one. I wish I would have combined two, but I was tired. So one is just fine for me. And this is how it turned out. So there you have it. That's how I made the bow. It's not hard. It's super easy. And like I said, I did two of them. But yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And be sure to keep a lookout for my next Christmas video, which I'll be sharing all my tips as well as my house tour. So keep a lookout for that. And I also have an office organization video coming up too. So keep a lookout for both of those. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video.